Now we're going to be presenting the song Rama Janardana.
It is a Nattaswaram composed by Sri Muthuswami Dikshit. It is a Notuswaram in praise of Lord Rama. It is set to Adi Talam. Pamari magama padani kapada pamagari gari kapaga pamari magama padani kapada pamagari gasa kapaga pamari magama padani kapada pamagari gari kapaga pamari magama padani
Thank you so much, Vidhanya, Anvita, Nitya and Vedanshi. That was a very beautiful singing. And can we give a round of applause to all the students here who've been singing and they've also been putting talam. So, and I didn't see anybody talk. They were so well behaved. Thank you so much, students. Before we move on to the next group, let's have a quick trivia time, okay? Now the question is about raga. Let's see. How many Melakarta ragas are there? Okay, I see a hand raised.
72.